Hello everyone, welcome back to our 60-day fitness series for seniors. Today is day 7 of our daily leg exercise challenge. If you're new here, don't worry. You can start from any day and join us right now. Grab your chair, find a comfortable space, and let's begin our leg workout together. Exercise 1, chair, sit to stand, leg strength builder. Let us begin our first exercise for today, the chair sit to stand. This simple but powerful movement helps strengthen your thighs, hips, and lower back, which are very important for walking and standing with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you have a sturdy chair placed on a flat surface. Sit down fully on the chair with your feet flat on the ground and your knees bent at about 90 degrees. Keep your hands either on your thighs or crossed on your chest for balance. Now, when I say go, slowly stand up straight, pushing through your heels. Then sit back down gently. Keep your chest up, your back straight, and breathe steadily. Imagine you are standing up to greet someone with energy and confidence each time. Ready? Let us start counting together from 1 all the way to 50. Stay with me, keep smiling, and move at your own pace. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. Keep going. You are doing wonderfully. Feel your legs getting stronger with each repetition. Keep your breathing steady and controlled. Remember, you are training for better strength, balance, and mobility. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How are you feeling? I hope you are doing well. If you are on day 7, you might already notice how your legs feel more stable and your movement smoother than the first few days. Stay strong and keep pushing through with me. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Take a deep breath, keep your back straight, and let's finish strong. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37,
38,
39, 40. Almost there. You are doing an excellent job. Remember, every repetition helps you move better and feel more confident every single day. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic work. You have completed 50 sit-to-stand repetitions. Take a moment to relax your legs, shake them out gently, and notice how your muscles feel more active and alive. You are doing something wonderful for your health. Every day you join this challenge, your legs, balance, and confidence grow stronger. If you finished all 50 repetitions, type "I did it, day 7" in the comments. And do not forget to share this video with your senior friends so they can also build strength and join our growing fitness family. Exercise 2, seated leg lifts, balance and circulation booster. Now let us move on to our second exercise, the seated leg lifts. This exercise is gentle but highly effective for improving your leg strength, blood circulation, and balance. It helps reduce stiffness in your knees and ankles and keeps your legs active even while sitting. To begin, make sure you are sitting comfortably on your sturdy chair. Keep your back straight, your shoulders relaxed, and your feet flat on the floor. Take a deep breath in and smile. We are about to make those legs stronger and more stable. Here is what we will do. Lift your right leg slowly until it is straight, hold it for a second, and then gently lower it back down. Now do the same movement with your left leg. We will keep alternating legs in a smooth, controlled rhythm. Remember to keep your breathing steady and your thigh muscles tight as you lift. Ready? Let us begin together and count all the way to 50. Right leg up, 1. Left leg up, 2. Right leg up, 3. Left leg up, 4. Right leg up, 5. Left leg up, 6. Right leg up, 7. Left leg up, 8. Right leg up, 9. Left leg up, 10. You are doing a wonderful job. Keep going. Sit tall, breathe normally, and keep your core steady. Feel your thighs tightening gently with every lift. Right leg up, 11. Left leg up, 12. Right leg up, 13. Left leg up, 14. Right leg up, 15. Left leg up, 16. Right leg up, 17. Left leg up, 18. Right leg up, 19. Left leg up, 20. Excellent! You are halfway through. Tell me in the comments. From which country are you exercising with me today? I would love to know where you are joining from. Right leg up, 21. Left leg up, 22. Right leg up, 23. Left leg up, 24. Right leg up, 25. Left leg up, 26. Right leg up, 27. Left leg up, 28. Right leg up, 29. Left leg up, 30. Keep breathing, keep moving, and stay strong. Every lift is helping your circulation improve. Right leg up, 31. Left leg up, 32. Right leg up, 33. Left leg up, 34. Right leg up, 35. Left leg up, 36. Right leg up, 37. Left leg up, 38. Right leg up, 39. Left leg up, 40. Wonderful effort. You are nearly there. Keep those legs moving. You are strengthening your entire lower body. Right leg up, 41. Left leg up, 42. Right leg up, 43. Left leg up, 44. Right leg up, 45. Left leg up, 46. Right leg up, 47. Left leg up, 48. Right leg up, 49. Left leg up, 50. Fantastic work. You have completed all 50 alternating leg lifts. Take a deep breath and relax your legs. You might feel a warm sensation in your thighs. That is your blood flowing beautifully. Each repetition you just did strengthens your legs, improves balance, and keeps your joints active. You should feel proud of yourself for staying committed to your Day 7 challenge. Now shake your legs gently, smile, and get ready for our next exercise, standing calf raises. Exercise 3, standing calf raises, stability and mobility enhancer. Now we are moving to our third and final exercise for today, the standing calf raises. This exercise is one of the best ways to improve your stability, walking strength, and lower leg endurance. It targets your calf muscles, improves ankle flexibility, and helps you maintain better posture and balance while walking or standing. To begin, stand behind your sturdy chair and hold the backrest lightly for balance. Keep your feet about hip-width apart and your body upright. Take a deep breath in, smile, and prepare to feel your calves working gently. Here is what we will do. Rise up slowly on your toes, lifting your heels off the ground as high as you comfortably can. Hold this position for 1 second, feeling the muscles tighten in your calves. Then lower your heels back down slowly to the floor. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. No need to rush. This steady rhythm will help strengthen your lower legs safely. Are you ready? Let us begin and count all the way up to 50 together. Let's start. Up 1, down. Up 2, down. Up 3, down. Up 4, down. Up 5, down. Up 6, down. Up 7, down. Up 8, down. Up 9, down. Up 10, down. Wonderful job. Feel that light burn in your calves. That is strength building. Stay tall, breathe in deeply, and exhale gently. Up 11, down. Up 12, down. Up 13, down. Up 14, down. Up 15, down. Up 16, down. Up 17, down. Up 18, down. Up 19, down. Up 20, down. Excellent. You are doing beautifully. Keep your knees slightly soft. Do not lock them and continue your smooth rhythm. Up 21, down. Up 22, down. Up 23, down. Up 24, down. Up 25, down. Up 26, down. Up 27, down. Up 28, down. Up 29, down. Up 30, down. How are you feeling? From which country are you exercising with me today? Let me know below in the comments. I love hearing from you all. Up 31, down, up 32, down, up 33, down, up 34, down, up 35, down, up 36, down, up 37, down, up 38, down, up 39, down, up 40, down, almost there. Keep your movement steady. You are improving your balance with every lift. Up 41, down, up 42, down, up 43, down, up 44, down, up 45, down, up 46, down, up 47, down, up 48, down, up 49, down, up 50, down. Fantastic job, everyone. You have completed all 50 standing calf raises. Take a deep breath, shake out your legs, and feel that wonderful strength in your calves and ankles. This exercise is helping you walk more confidently and stand with better posture every single day. If you finished all 50 repetitions with me, type "I did it, day 7" in the comments below. Do not forget to share this video with your senior friends so they can join you and enjoy the same benefits. Now relax, take a sip of water, and give yourself a big smile. You have completed day 7 of our 60-day leg exercise journey. Gently shake your legs and relax your knees and ankles. Great work! You've just completed day 7 of our 60-day challenge. Remember to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can stay active too. I'll see you tomorrow for day 8. Keep moving, keep smiling, and stay healthy.